Hi guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel again, and for today's video, I'm going to the waterfront promenade here in the Tai-O and some of the other areas in Tai-O. So let's explore guys the Tai-O waterfront and Tai-O villages. Ayan. So, ayan guys. Ayan. Papalik na ako sa my village. Ayan. And, drop by dyan sa my pavilion. Ang ganda ng weather ngayon guys. Ayan. Hindi masyadong mainit. Pag summer kayo pumunta dito guys, naku ang init. Doon ako galing oh. Kaya maganda ngayon. Winter. Pumunta dito. Yan. Ang ganda. Yan guys. From here guys, in the top, kitang-kita mo yung view ng Fusion Viewing Point. Yan. Parang Great Wall siya. You know, the Great Wall in China. The style. Kasi nasa top siya ng bundok. Ayan. Ayan guys, yung buong view ng Tai-O Village. Ayan. That is the whole Tai-O Village. So yun guys, dito ako dumaan pabalik ng Tai-O Village. Ito is ano na siya from the Ocean View. Pero mas maganda guys kung pupunta kayo dito. Doon kayo sa kabila mag-start. Tapos dito kayo bababa. Kasi mahirap dito. Pag dito kayo nag-start, akyat kasi halos mostly hagdan siya dito. Ayan o, ganyan siya na hagdan dito. Hanggang doon sa taas ng pavilion guys. So yun, ayan, malapit na. So ganito yung view dito guys. Ang ganda ng tree na yan oh. Yung kulay ng leaves niya is all yellow. And may basketball court din dito. Ayan, ang tahimik guys dito. Ayan, para kang nasa province. Mga bata guys, so wala, naglalaro sila oh. Ang ganda kasi ng panahon. Ayun, yung Zhuhai Macau Bridge. O, kitang-kita dito from here. Ayan na siya, guys. O, diba ang ganda? And then, the mountain. And yan. Ito yung way. And I pass by to the temple. And there's a temple also here. So, ayun, guys. Andito na ako. Nakababa na ako from the Fusion Viewing Point. Ayun, doon ako galing. And they have the temple here, guys. Ayan. Temple dito sa may Tai-O Village. And wow! See. And this, ayan. Ganito guys, yung temple nila dito. Ayan. Ayan, ang ganda oh. Ito, yung temple nila guys. Ayan. Temple nila, may mga plug silang nakasabit dito. And ayan, ganyan yung temple nila dito to guys. Ayan. And in the middle, doon sila nagbaburn ng ansin. Ayan. Yung temple nila guys, ah. Is a old structure of a temple. Ayan. And ayan. Then over there also. Ayan. Parang may ano doon sa area na yun guys. Parang may mini pavilion doon sa gilid. Ayan. Ayan, ang ganda guys. So, ito yung temple nila dito. Ayan. Yan guys. And the other side naman guys ng you know doon sa bundok na yon, may ano din doon, may trail din doon guys kung gusto nyong mag-hike. Ayan, yung mga tao doon sila nag-hike, and then dyan yung mga tao galing na hike. So guys, ganito yung view dito after you going down from the Fusion View when you walk in the side. Ayan, kita mo yung buong view oh, ng mga residents dito sa may Tai-O Village. Ayan. So, yun. And dito sa side na to guys is a barbecue area also. So, yan. Tignan nyo guys, oh, yung mga bahay nila dito. Ayan, nasa ano ito? I think Sherm Place ito. Ayan. Yung mga bahay nila dito, mostly ganito siya guys. O, diba? I'm here. Punta ako dito sa isang side. ng bridge dito sa may Tayo Village. Ayan. O, diba? Dito talagang makikita mo na yung mga bahay-bahay nila, guys. O. Ayan. O. Ayan ulit yung boat. Sasakay ka dyan, guys, para makita mo yung ano, yung white dolphin. Ayan. Ito, oh, guys. Oh, ang ganda. And dyan, sa other side, ayan. As in, talaga, kitang-kita mo. Yung mga bahay, guys, oh. Oh, ayun, guys. Yung mga bahay dito, mga, ayan. Kasi nga, pagbaba ko dun sa Fuchsia, nadaanan ko to.
Wow.
O, diba? Ang cute ng mga bahay. Look like in the Philippines. Yeah. So, ayun guys, ano na ako, nakabili ako ng fishes, yung skin na pinabibili ni amo ko, tsaka yung baby scallop, and I buy the dry shrimp also, the small shrimp or the daing in the Philippines, yan. So, I'm going to the promenade, guys, water promenade. So, yun, palabas na ako dito sa my village. So, here is the waterfront. So, I'm going there, guys.
A few moments later.
So, in this area, guys, you can see those mangrove tree. Ayan. All in this area, guys, is mangrove tree. Ayan. And ayan, ito yung area, guys. Mga pumipila going pauwi na, and then they are waiting for the ferry going to Chunmon. Ayan. Yan. Until there is all mangrove tree. Ayan. Yan, guys. Yung araw is medyo palubog na siya. And you explore for a few minutes here at the waterfront promenade. Ayan. Ito, guys, yung waterfront promenade. Ang ganda ng bridge, guys, dito. And this waterfront promenade, guys, is connecting to the other area of the Tayo over there. Those housing over there, guys. Yan. Ang ganda. Ganito yung view niya dito, guys. Oh, yun. Kita yung buong view doon sa may Tayo Village. Kita. Ayan. And yan. Ang daming bakawan, guys. Oh, oh, diba? Not only in the Philippines. And then I saw also here this. And ito yung waterfront nila. Ang daming isda, guys. Oh, yun. Ang daming isda. And ayun. Fishing vessel. O, yung waterfront. Promenade. Ayan siya, guys. So, yun. Ayan, ganda. Ganda, guys. So, yun. Yung mga tao, maganda dito manood ng sunset. Kasi nga, ayun, kitang-kita mo yung araw. Lihod ng mga tao dito sa Tayo Village is fishing, and they are the one who dry up also, and then they sell also. So lucky a lot of tourists or people come here, especially nung hindi pa nag-pandemic, guys. Dinadayo talaga din ito ng mga turista. Kasi nga maganda siya, as in napaka-peaceful, guys. Ayun. And surrounded by beautiful and amazing view of mountainside. Ayan.
Wow.
Ang ganda siya, guys. Oo. So, yun, guys. Nag-video ako dito sa may, waterfront. Dito sa may Tayo. And hapon na is already 4 o'clock in the afternoon. So, hindi na ako magbibideo until doon sa dulo. Kasi may mga villagers pa doon until sa dulo, guys. Kasi nga, need ko nang umuwi Kasi hapon na, ang layo pa ng biyahe from here to Tungchong, and then ang haba pa ng line up guys ng bus going to Tungchong, and from Tai O to Tungchong it takes you 40 minutes, something like that. Kaninang umaga 40 minutes yung biyahe from Tungchong to Tai O. So ayun, so need ko nang bumalik para hindi ako gabihin na umuwi guys. Yan. And yung area na yun guys, ayun, dun sa may parang hill, dun ako galing kanina, which is the Fusion viewing point. Ayun, ayun siya guys. O, kitang kita dito guys, yung Fusion viewing point. Marami pa rin pumupunta na tao doon kasi gusto nila makita yung sunset. Maganda kasi doon panoorin yung sunset guys. Ayan, kung malapit lang sana tayo, hindi, gusto kong mag-stay until the sunset, pero need ko nang umuwi, and tomorrow is a holiday again guys, and it's getting cold now, so I need to go back na. Tingnan nyo naman, ang haba ng pila dito sa sa Chunmun Ferry. So it's also the one that bus going to Tungchong.
Feels like love, Cupid made a shot straight into my heart. Now I'm falling fast and my world's expanding. Feels like love.
So ganito kahaba guys yung line ng bus going to Tungchong. I don't know what time I live here. Ayan, kanun kahaba guys. So haba guys. So tingnan nyo naman from there. Ayan. So yun guys, that is the end of my video, and thank you for watching. Hope to see you again on my next vlog, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye bye. Bye guys.